Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your Mailchimp email mobile friendly. With so many people checking emails on their phones these days, ensuring your campaigns look great on mobile devices is absolutely essential for engagement and readability. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, click on Login and enter your credentials. If you're new to Mailchimp, you can click Sign Up free to create an account and get started. After logging in, look at the left side navigation menu and click on Create. From the options that appear, locate and click on Emails. This takes you to the Email Creation Hub where you'll build your campaign. Next, under Email Type, select Regular. This is the standard format for most marketing emails and newsletters. Then click Design Email to move into the template selection phase. You'll now see a variety of pre-designed templates to choose from. You can either pick one that suits your brand or click Start from Blank Layout if you prefer building from scratch. Once you've made your choice, click Apply or Save and choose to proceed to the editor. Now here's where the mobile optimization begins. In the email editor, locate the mobile preview icon in the toolbar. It's usually represented by a phone symbol. Click on this icon to switch into mobile editing mode. This view allows you to see exactly how your email will appear on smaller screens and make adjustments accordingly. Click on any content block you want to modify, whether it's text, an image, or a button. For mobile friendliness, increase your text size to at least 16 pixels or higher, as smaller fonts can be difficult to read on phones. Also, stick to a single column layout to avoid cramped content and adjust button widths so they're easy to tap with a thumb. You can also drag and drop elements to reorder them specifically for the mobile view. This gives you complete control over how your content flows on different devices. Once you've made your adjustments, click Preview in the toolbar. Toggle between desktop and mobile views to check how responsive your email is across both formats. This step ensures consistency and readability no matter where your audience opens the email. When you're satisfied with the design, click Save at the top right corner. Before launching your campaign, use the Send a Test email feature to send a preview to your own phone. This lets you verify the real device appearance and catch any issues that might not show up in the preview mode. And that's it. You've successfully optimized your Mailchimp email for mobile devices, ensuring your message looks polished and professional on any screen. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.